So today we're going to be looking at multiplying numbers. So basically, just start off with something that's quite straightforward that you'd probably know around about year 6, year 7, okay? Just multiplying, let's say, two numbers. In this case, we've got 2 times 2, right? So 2 times 2 is going to be equal to 4. Now, we know that's a positive number because it's just positive, right? If it was negative, it would have a negative sign in front of it. And in this situation, you don't have a positive sign in front of it, but we're assuming that's a positive 2. Okay, so essentially what this means is that positive 2 times positive 2 equals to positive 4. But we don't write things like this. Okay, we write it like that. Okay, we're assuming that is a positive number. Now, you might have a situation where you're dealing with positive and negative numbers. So these are two positive numbers multiplying each other. We're going to do something where there's one negative and one positive. So we're going to go with 2 times negative 2. So we go, okay, 2 times 2 is 4, okay? Positive, why? Because we have to assume that that's going to be a positive. Positive times a negative is going to be a negative, okay? So it's a negative 4. Let's go through another concept, which is dealing with negative numbers, okay? So we're going to multiply two negative numbers. Let's try it. Negative 2 times negative 2. Okay, so weird 2, but anyways, what's that going to be? So 2 times 2 is 4, and negative 2 times a negative 2 is going to be a positive 4, but we write it as a 4. Great, so let me just describe that. So basically we've got here two positive numbers, and when they multiply, they're going to be positive. A positive and a negative number is going to be a negative when they multiply. Now, when you multiply two negative numbers, it's going to be a positive. How I remember that, if someone was, had both eyes the same, okay, they're going to be feeling positive about it, okay? Now, if someone had a negative and a positive, okay, so they have both two different looking eyes and they're not so happy about that situation, they're going to have a negative. They're going to have, the answer is going to be negative, okay? So they're going to be feeling negative about it, means they're going to be feeling sad. Now, in this situation, you also have two signs that are negative. They're both the same looking eyes, so you're going to be feeling positive about it, okay? So that really covers that up, that whole entire topic with multiplying a positive numbers and positive and negative, and then negative and negative numbers. Let's try it out here. So if I had negative 3 times 2, and we'll try it negative 4 times negative 3, and let's go 6 times 3, and we'll try it one more. 4 times negative 9. So in this situation, you have 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Now you have a negative and a positive. If you want to write that above, you can. Oh, negative and positive, they're both two different looking eyes. So it's going to be sad. You're going to have a negative sign in front of it. Okay, so it's going to be a negative 6. In this situation, you have 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Okay, so 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Since they're both negative, they're both the same looking eyes, you're going to have a positive 12. Okay, and we're just going to leave it as that, okay, because you don't write a positive sign there. In this situation, you have a positive number and a positive number here. Okay, so 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Since they're both positive, you're going to have a positive 18. You don't write the positive sign there, but we're assuming that is a positive number. Here, you've got 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36. In this example, you're going to have a look at the signs. This is a positive, that's a negative. Now they're both two different looking eyes in this situation, so you're going to be feeling negative about it. You're feeling sad and upset. So it's going to be a negative 36. Okay, so that's kind of how you deal with multiplying positive and negative numbers. Cool. Just end it there.